Damen und Herren, jawohl, meine Damen und Herren, wir sind dann die August, der 17. August 2011. Nun haben wir die August 2011 New York State Regents Exam. Und jetzt, hier ist, kommt für meine englische Leute. Oh mein Gott, wir haben schon angefangen. Also, here we go. Kann das in Deutsch und Englisch reden für dich. But I think English will be better for you, so we better stick to English, otherwise you guys might not know what the heck I'm talking about. Let's do calories over minutes for this one. 150 calories in 20 minutes. We want to know how many we can burn in 30 minutes. Well, clearly it's more. So hundreds is a stupid answer, don't pick it. Hurt you. X. Cast out those zeros. I'll cross multiply. You guys may not. 4,500 equals 20x. Divide by 20. Zeros go. 450 divided by 2 is 225. Done. All done. Oh my god, everything's all over the place. It's like a scatter plot of nothing. There is almost no relationship between peanuts and bowling scores. Students who eat more peanuts have a higher bowling score. Students who eat more peanuts have no bowling scores. No bowlers eat peanuts. Oh, that was a really stupid question. Complement means the one that are not. So this is my big set. And then I take out the nickels. What's not there? They have pennies, dimes, and quarters. Pennies, dimes, and quarters. Let's see. Causal relationship. One thing that causes another. Does the higher volume, see this is, does not. Does the higher volume of the radio, the louder it will be? Of course. The faster a student types a research paper, the more pages he will have. Paper he will have. Maybe. The shorter the distance driven, the less gas. Of course, if I draw a shorter distance, I use less gas. The slower the pace of the runner, the longer it will take them to finish the race. Well, of course, not the reason that this is. Why would your paper be longer just because you're typing faster? You will finish earlier. That would be causal. The faster I type, the quicker I finish, but not the more pages. Because the pages are what the pages are. Kind of a tough question. Diameter of 10 inches and a height of 2.3 is. What is the volume? Well, if you remember the volume formula, and it's on your formula sheet, it's equal to r squared pi h. Well, if the diameter is 10, then the radius is 5. So this is 5 squared times pi times 2.3. This is like 78.5. Double that, I get about 160, so it's 180.6. If you type that in your calculator, I am certain 100% you will get 180.6. So that's the answer. Max and Whisker plot. Which statement is false? Well, let me see. This is the min. This is the max. This is quartile 1, quartile 2, quartile 3. This is also known as the median. The median is 7. Bam, true. The range is 12. 12 minus 2. The range is defined as max minus min. The range is 10. There's my answer. Done. The dark is down in our. That's me singing a little song there. Each ninth grader attended the picnic pays 75 cents. Each guest pays $1.25. So 200 ninth graders are coming. So we're going to take the 200, we're going to multiply it by 75 cents. Wow, so much money. Plus $1.25, $1.25 per guest. And we needed to cover the cost, so we needed to be greater than or equal to, all these are greater than or equal to $250. Kabam! There it is. Which equation has slope? Now, they all have a slope weight and has a slope of -2. It doesn't have a slope of -2. So it's got to be one of these two. Plug it in or type these into your calculator and see which one works. I'm just going to plug it in. So does 5, which is the y value, equal -2 times 1 plus 7? 5 equal -2 plus 7. 5 equals 5. Now, just to make sure, let me check to make sure it doesn't work in the other one. 5 goes in for y. -2 times 1 plus 11. So that's 5 equals -2 plus 11. That's 5 equals 9. Nope. Damn. What is the solution? Oh my God, this is such a pain in the neck. Hold on a second. I got 2x minus 5y equals 11. And I got negative 2x plus 3y equals negative 9. Notice I already have a pair of opposites here. This is cool. Very cool. Cool. It's cold because I can add. I can just add just like I normally do because I already have my opposites. Man, they were nice. See, negative 2y equals 2. So y equals negative 1. Nope. Oh, shoot. They weren't that nice. I gotta figure out what x is. So 2 times x minus 5 times negative 1. That equals 11. 2 times x plus 6. Oops, plus 5. Equals 11. Subtract the 5. That's where you put 6. X equals place. Now I'm going to check it, of course. Negative 2 times 3 plus 3 times negative 1. Does that equal negative 9? I don't think so. Negative 6 minus 3. Of course it does. Never get these wrong. Never. Did you question me? Don't question me. Are you crazy? Oh, you kids. Less than. Skip it. X divided by 9. Then do the less than 15. Bam! All done. Moving on. This is the vertex. Axis of symmetry goes through the vertex. So that vertex is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, comma 6. It's the axis of symmetry. X equal to 1 because all vertical lines that go up and down are x equals lines. X equals 1, 1, 6. Bam. Tangent of angle A, B, C. Talking about this angle right here. And tangent is opposite over adjacent. This is hypotenuse. We'll need it. Opposite and adjacent. 5 over 12. Bam! On in. Bodies. Plus 4x. So x goes in here and in here. And y is 2. And negative 4. That's positive 16. That's negative 48. Times 2 is negative 96. Minus 16 is 12. Get 1. Negative 112. Bam. I could also do negative 4 stow x, 2 stow y. Just type that puppy in. Are you kidding me? Distribute. So negative 3x squared plus 12x. Be careful, that's a negative times a negative. Minus 2x squared minus 6x. So these two make minus 5x squared plus 6x minus 5x squared plus 6x. Bam! Last problem. Here we go. 0.5 is 1, that's 2. Let's see, that's 10. So 0.5, 9, 1, 8, 1.5, 2. Would you say that has a slope that's negative? I would. Definitely negative. It's coming down. Negative.